Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate and orange truffles. They're so easy to make, super quick and absolutely delicious, and something that you can whip up as a last minute treat. They also freeze really well, so if you're craving something naughty and sweet, you can just pop to your freezer and eat them cold. Oh my god, so good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's completely free. And now let's get started. To make your ganache, add dark chocolate into a bowl along with butter and some heavy or double cream. And we're going to place this in a microwave until it's completely melted. Make sure you cook this in 30-second bursts so you don't burn your chocolate. Then you want to mix everything together with your whisk until the chocolate starts to come together and look just like this. Then you want to add your squeezed orange juice and then orange zest and mix everything quite gently until the mixture is incorporated. Once you have a nice chocolate mixture just like this, it's done. Place a cling film on top of your bowl and this will go into the fridge until it's completely set, which can take 6 to 8 hours. Once your mixture has set, you want to take off the cling film and then just test it with a spoon. You might want to leave it at a room temperature for just a few minutes so it's nice and easy and spreadable. Add cocoa powder into a bowl and where we're going to dip our truffles. So you need to take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and then roll it in your hands. I do like to use gloves because otherwise the chocolate gets everywhere. Then dip it into your cocoa powder from all the sides and it will look just like this. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Once they're done, put them onto a plate and you can decorate them into any way that you like, adding a bit of white chocolate and some grated orange zest. And these need to go in a fridge or freezer until they're completely set. And there you go guys, these amazing chocolate orange truffles are so delicious, very creamy, they have a very strong orange and chocolate flavor and I absolutely love them.